What's going on, everyone, and happy Saturday. I hope everyone's having a great weekend. It's your boy Ben, aka King of Swings, owner of Aspire Forex, AspireForexGroup.com. If you guys are in Telegram, you can jump in our free chat. Just search for Aspire Forex. So if you guys have been taking any of these trades that I've been giving you guys here on YouTube, you have been making a crazy amount of pips. All right. Crazy amount. And what it all boils down to, you guys, is education. You have to get educated to be a good trader. Okay. It's just like if you're going to be a doctor, you're going to have to get educated, right? You're going to be a lawyer. You're going to have to get educated. Trading is a profession. You're going to have to get educated. I put a lot of work into my students, right? Try to teach them everything I know. Granted, I've been trading for almost 6 years now, and I have a lot up here, okay? But what I've done is I've tried to simplify it on here, all right? So just let you guys know that if you are looking for education or signals or trade copier, like I said, AspireForexGroup.com, pick out your package. Or if you're on Telegram, you can hit me up at King of Swings, and we can discuss getting you in. All right, you guys. So my trade of the week is the dollar yen. Okay. Now, you guys looking here on the weekly, okay, we have an obvious bearish channel. Okay. This is on the weekly, right? You can see where it formed. It's been respecting it. And then it actually hit a level here. Okay, respected the bottom of the channel, right? And right here, I'm going to show you this level right here. Okay, you see to the left, you see how strong a support that was for the longest time. Now it is resistance, okay? On top of that, so it failed to break that level of now resistance. It also failed to close out of this bearish channel. So can anyone guess what I'm looking at doing? Raise your hand. Anyone? Anyone? If you're saying sell right now, you are 100% correct. That is what I'm looking at doing. Okay. Now, keep in mind, 110 pips is going to put you above that level of resistance. 50 pips is going to put you above the top of that channel, okay? Had a hard drop here on Friday, right? You can see this last 4-hour candle of the day, it's about 35 pips, which is quite a bit for this pair. If you guys know this pair, you know it doesn't move a whole hell of a lot usually, okay? So depending on where the market opens up, in a perfect world, see, just the last couple hours it just tanked, right? In a perfect world, I'd love to see it open up a little bit bullish and maybe just make a quick push to the top just to grab a better entry on this, okay? But let's say that maybe it opens up with, maybe it opens up with like a 10 pip gap, all right? So it opens up with like a 10 pip gap, which was right around here, okay? So we can put a 70 pip stop loss on this thing and probably be okay. All right. Now on the other side of the coin, guys, if this thing opens up, and let's say it opens up with a bearish gap, say it opens up 11 pips bearish, what are we going to do then? Are we just going to sell it? Are we going to buy it? You guys like playing the gaps? I love playing the gaps, you guys, but only if the trade is already like it's gapping in the direction I want to go. And by that, I mean, if this thing gaps bearish come market open tomorrow, I'm not just going to sell it, right? Because I'm looking at selling it. But what I want it to do is I want it to close out this gap first, because then it might make another little push up to the high, and then maybe, then they're going to bring it back around. Okay. If it gaps up here, I'm going to wait and see, what it does on the first couple 15-minute candles. But then, yeah, I'm going to play that gap because I'm looking at selling it anyways. So why not close the gap, right? Why not take that extra 15, 20 pips on that gap close? All right. So again, just don't overcomplicate it, you guys. It could really be simplified. All right. So here's on the daily. You guys can see it, right? Nice channel we have going here. Right now on UJ, I'm looking at selling it down to 105,250. Can anyone see why I would be selling it down to 105,250? You'll have to excuse me. I know this is so inappropriate. Why are we selling it down to 105,250? Anyone? Well, to me, looks like there's a little level of support, okay, on the 4-hour time frame, right? Not only that, there's a good chance it's gonna hit this area as well, okay, and then they'll just maybe push it through a little further before they maybe bring it back up, okay. But 105,250, 105,250, okay, right around in here, okay. This area right here. Let's go on the weekly. 105,250. 105,250. Look to the left, guys. Always look to the left. It's held here, and it acted as good resistance here. So right now, 105,250 is still an interest level as far as being a pretty significant level of support. So why not? Why am I not going for the bottom of the channel? It might not go to the bottom of the channel right away, right? It might come down to here, okay? It could come down like so, hit this top of this level, and then it might come back up and hit here. And then maybe it goes back down and it breaks it, and then it comes back up, right? Or maybe it breaks out and it retests and we got a full-fledged reversal. You never know, okay? No reason to be greedy. So UJ sell, take profit based on where it's at right now. If we're taking profit at 105,250, we're looking at a potential, potential of 230 pips right around in there. 230. It's not bad, right? So that's my Aspire Forex trade pick of the week. UJ sell, take profit, 105,250. Again, you guys, for education, for signals, for trade copier, go to aspireforexgroup.com, or you can hit me up in Telegram at King of Swings. That's going to wrap it up for this episode. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and we will see you again soon.